In this video, you are going to see how to blur the background of a video in Adobe Premiere Pro like CapCut. The interesting thing is you don't need any external plugins or effects to do this. So follow along with me without skipping this video. Let's start. First, add the clips to the timeline. As you can see, this is a moving video where the person is moving. Next, click on the Object Mask Tool option on the left side panel. This is a new feature added in the 2026 version of Premiere Pro. Make sure you first select the clip and then choose this option. Now, if you hover the mouse, you can see the subject is highlighted. You can select the areas as you want. You can also drag by pressing the left mouse button to select the area. Not only that, you can change the highlighted color as well. Once the selection is completed, go to the effects panel. There you will see an option under the unassigned masks section. Here, select the track forward option to auto track the whole clip. Do note that if there are any hair details, it won't track perfectly. For that, you need the After Effects Roto Brush tool for precise selection. Once the tracking is done, right-click on the Object Mask tool and choose Assign to Opacity. This way, the background is removed and only the subject will remain. If you want to remove the harsh edges, you can try the Feather and Expansion tools. Next, duplicate this clip. For the bottom clip, disable the mask and apply the blur effect. You can use camera blur or Gaussian blur as you prefer. Now, you can adjust the blur intensity according to your liking. That's it guys, this is how you can blur the background of a video in Adobe Premiere Pro like CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share and also subscribe to this channel for more updates. In the description, I have mentioned all the useful links for you. Definitely check those for more information.